Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. It's a little bit early, end of December, to be starting seeds indoors here in Maryland, but follow me in January and February and I'll show you how to grow vegetable seed starts. Today I just wanted to give you a quick tip with respect to the lighting. I have plenty of videos on starting seeds indoors. The lights have to be raised and lowered depending on really where your plants are with germination. When they're just getting started, something like this, you want the lights to really sit 2, 3, maybe 4 inches above your seed starts so they get maximum light at germination. As they get taller, you want to raise the lights, keeping that distance of 2 or 3 inches. As the plants get bigger, you can even raise the lights to be 4 to 6 inches above the plants. Now it can be a pain, and here's the tip, to keep adjusting the chains, because if you have 2 lights, you're gonna have to adjust 4 chains. Let me just get down here every time, and it's a pain to really do that. So what I like to do is set the lights as high as you can right here, and when I have more transplants growing, I'll be using this space more. Instead of raising and lowering the lights, just use books, cardboard box, anything to raise the flat closer to the lights, and as the plants grow, you simply remove one of the books or you change the cardboard box you're using under there. It makes it so much easier on you. You don't have to waste time adjusting the lights. My station is set up that the lights up here are more for germination, and then I work the lights down, or work the plants down to the lights that are taller, and I adjust the flats by, again, just putting basic books under here. But sometimes and it only took me 15 years to figure this out. So sometimes, an idea comes to you, and rather than spending all that time lifting and lowering the lights, simple book really makes the difference in simplicity. Just put them under there, raise them up, remove them, lower them down. Thanks so much for watching. Please follow me for 2024. I'll give you lots of short videos to help you save time in the garden, help you save some money, and I'll be really going over all aspects of vegetable gardening, starting in January and really ending in December. Thanks so much for watching. Again, please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.